Hi everyone, welcome back to Violetartistry. Today I'm going to do another quick and easy to follow makeup look. My intention here on this channel since coming back is to provide you guys with content that you can learn from, follow along with my makeup tutorials. So I hope this is helpful, and please always feel free to reach out and let me know what you'd love to see. But let's get started because I have to go. I'm running a few errands, taking my son to a meeting, and I just want to look put together, but I don't want to spend a lot of time. My skin right now is extremely dry, peeling a little bit. I had a facial a few days ago, 2 days ago, so it's just recovering. I'm going to use the Embryolisse Moisturizer and just really press this into my skin and give my skin a drink of moisture because nothing is sitting properly these days since I've been doing the skin treatments. And on top of that, I'm going to add more, and I'm using a face oil today, Khiels, because I just feel like I need as much moisture and hydration as I can get. All right, let's put on some base. Actually, I'm gonna let everything sink in, and I'm going to do the eyes. There's a little bit of discoloration, and you can see my darkness and a little bit of veins, so I am going to put a little foundation there. So I'm just gonna take it on my sponge and just gently press this in, and then I am going to set my eyelids with a touch of powder because I don't want any creasing. And I'm not doing any eyeshadows today, so I feel like they are looking a little flat, so I'm going to reach into my bronzer and just give my crease some definition, just enough to create a nice bronzy shadow without making my eyelids look flat and lifeless. Then moving on to this wonderful pencil who has saved my life lately. It's one of the Nudestix eye pencils, and I'm going to gently, halfway through, create a touch of depth at the base of the lashes. So once that's there, just take any brush, a pencil brush, and diffuse the color. I'm not going to wear any false lashes, so I want my lashes to look thick and dark, so this helps a lot. And then the same pencil, I'm going to tight line. So I'm going to go right here in between the lashes on my upper waterline. I just feel like it makes a huge difference. Your eyes are popping without looking too done. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. So gently at the base of the lashes, most in between your lashes, halfway through. Then gently smudge. Then tight line your waterline. Gives your lashes depth and thickness. I'm going to move on to my skin. Today I'm using a touch of the Dior Face and Body Foundation, and I'm going to start by applying it with a brush first, just because I want a little bit more coverage around my mouth area. There's so much redness right now going on. And then to make sure that I don't have any brush strokes, I'm going to use my beauty sponge just to press and take any excess off. When it's all concentrated here. So we gave ourselves a clean, barely there base. Of course, I'm going to go in and conceal these babies who are not going away. I'm going to go right here, just in the darkness. And I think that's it. I had a little blemish on my nose, so I'm gonna try to cover the bridge of my nose a little bit and blend. There you go. And because my skin, it is on the dry side right now, and my eye wrinkles are just going, they're having a blast. They're enjoying the space I gave them. I'm going to gently press this concealer in, and I'm going to stay away from the lash line and from the crow's feet. Just gently tap, tap, tap. And because I'm going to be out and about all day, let's use some setting powder, Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, because it is the best for underneath the eyes. It blurs, it sets your concealer without drying, it illuminates, and it photographs beautifully, just in case. You never know. And because this blurs and I love the effect, I'm gonna go right here in my smile lines and just set a little bit. So that way it sort of diffuses them. It almost has like an airbrush effect. So whatever I have here left in my cap, which is very little, I'm just gonna go around my mouth and to give my face a little definition. It's a little flat right now. I'm going in with an old school, again, Hula bronzer by Benefit, and I'm only following the natural shadows in my face. So I'm gonna go right here where you already see underneath my cheekbone, just enough to accentuate. I'm using a very soft, fluffy brush. That way it doesn't pack a lot of color. And then, of course, your forehead and the jawline. I'm gonna bring this color across the nose to mimic a little sun-kiss glow. And for blush, I want something that's just lit from within, not too much color. And today I'm using this new, I believe, Rose Milk by Phan. It's a liquid blush, just beautiful color. And it gives you luminosity and just a lit from within glow. You know, gently just press it in. It's so beautiful. It's so natural. I don't think I'm going to add a highlighter because, well, why not a little bit? Even though it's during the day, I'm going to reach into my Dior palette and just mix the two, highlighting powders right here, and just very little, just a glow. That's it. Love, love, love. To finish off the eyes, as always, a good curl and 2 coats of mascara. It makes such a huge difference when you tightline, almost like you're wearing false lashes. And of course, we cannot forget the lips. I want something moisturizing that feels light and natural, but my upper lip is a little thinner, so I am going to cheat a little as always and give myself more fullness here in the corners. Just very natural, enough to cover the small corners here. That's it. And as always, I like to diffuse my lip pencil. Just take any clean brush and run it over. And I'm going to top it with a very moisturizing product. This is a new lip oil by Lilah B. You all know how much I love this brand. And I'm gonna put a touch on the lower lip. It feels so good on the lips. And that's it for the look. It's very easy to achieve. It takes very little time and it makes you look put together, like you really invested the time. But I'm pretty sure without talking and just focusing and doing this, it will not take you more than 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed. Please tag me in your photos and stories if you do recreate. I love to see them and repost them. And until next time, have a beautiful rest of the week. Thank you so much for watching.